Crumble 10 Oreos into your favorite vanilla cake, and then it's all about the filling and the frosting. This is our take on the classic cookies and cream cake. Of course, ours is the best. Hi there! Who are you? I'm Bella May of the Blushing Grove, keeper of the Peach Zing, mistress of flavorful whimsy, and full flavor fairy. See the wings? Well, welcome to my kitchen. We're making the Italian meringue frosting first, and you can't get any egg yolks or anything in with the whites. That's why we separate them outside the bowl. Look, I did it again. I hate that. We'll use that egg white tomorrow in our snickerdoodle cupcakes. Your bowl needs to be super clean. Any tiny bit can ruin the whole batch, and all you get is egg white soup. And every time we make this frosting, we use the yolks. Yes, giant Oreo cream brulee. Right there. Sugar, honey, baby, we just hit the frosting jackpot. I know. Oh, this is gonna be one funky adventure. The black cocoa powder we use is the same powder that Oreos are made from. We'll leave a recipe in that video's description for you. Add a teaspoon of cream of tartar and whisk your whites to fluffy clouds. Now we'll get the magic syrup going. 1.5 cups of sugar, 2/3 cup of water, 1/2 cup of corn syrup. On medium-high, heat it to 240, 248 degrees. Yeehaw! This baby handles like a dream dipped in syrup. Careful, if we fall in that butterscotch, we'll be stickier than a caramel accident at a cotton candy factory. This takes 5 to 10 minutes. With your mixer on high speed, drizzle it in. Drizzle it in between the bowl and the whisk. If you hit the whisk, it sends sugar shards all over your frosting. But don't worry, the hot frosting should dissolve them. We hope. If you drizzle down the side of your bowl, the syrup can cool solid and stick right there. But look how our magic puffs it all up. This is the coolest thing. Ours filled it so high it filled the bowl. Whisk it to stiff peaks and let it cool to the same temperature as your butter. Our magic number is 65 degrees. Relax, Jessie. I've drifted through jello storms, outraced pancake avalanches. This bridge, piece of, well, you know. We always get stiff peaks before temperature, so we help it along. Whisk in the cold outside with the hot center. Nope, not yet. While you're waiting, chop your butter so it can be room temperature all the way through, and then it'll be ready. Cheesecake? Exactly! Left no hands! Remind me again why we're chasing a magic purple peach? 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract enhances and complements the chocolate flavor. Mr. Chocolate, You taste mighty fine today. 4 tablespoons of that black cocoa. Yes, it deflates it, but it'll be all right. You'll see. Add in your chunks one at a time. You let each chunk thoroughly whisk in before adding the next. The key here is to go slowly. Italian meringue buttercream likes to take its time, but it's so worth it. Add 2 to 4 tablespoons of milk to loosen it up and smooth it out. Oh, legend says, oh, wait a minute. Legend says it only ripens once every century, and whoever bites it gets a wish, but only if they're in the land of forbidden frosting. And we're here. We took out about 3 cups for the top decoration. Add black and brown food gel, and just remember, it'll get darker overnight. Set this aside while we make the filling, which is super easy. 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1 at a time. This keeps it from flying all over your kitchen. Fold in the 2/3 cup of heavy cream that you whisk to stiff peaks. Fold it in almost all the way. Break up 10 Oreos and finish folding everything together. It only takes like 10 stirs. We're here! So, you want to wish for faster wheels? Nah, I want to wish for the ultimate recipe. The one that blows the roof off every bake-off from here to Nebula 9. Is that a souffle spark? Putting it all together is so much fun. Nice thick layer of filling like a double stuffed cookie. Pipe on the sides. Let them stick out farther if you can. Farther than the filling. A few turns with the hot bench scraper. Heat it under tap water and dry it off for each swipe. Whew, just enough. Whipped cream for the contrast. Isn't that the king of cakes? I should say queen. Someone just opened a portal. Bit my spatula, that was Jeannie. And if Jeannie's here, Glitzabel's not far behind.